Good morning, good morning. Today I just drive around today, and it's Friday and have a garage sales on the neighborhood. So just for fun, I take a look and I find something that I like. So I have this one. See in the box. It's in the box. So surprise what this looks like. And like it's like a plant stand and everything. So I have this one. Is that cute? See, let's see. I got that one. I'm gonna take a look what looks like, so that you can see what looks like. And I buy that one. It's hot outside. It's summertime. So it looks really nice. It's a plant stand. Takes a while. It's hard to take out on the box. So I got 5 of these, and I'm very curious. So that's it's all look now. Hang on. And I have, see, it's very cute pot. So that's what I buy today in the garage sale. So it's cute. You see? It's really nice. It's succulent. I can plant there, see? Very nice. That's really nice. See, looks all the thing. It's very pretty. See, very pretty. Thanks for watching.